Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it is time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是Lims of Siu Joseph Lin, right here teaching you phrases with Alice. Actually, 其实要 Alice 老师教我才能像学生一样学习啊，就像我们的听众一样啦。那这个月在教哪一句话呢？就是我也要。
爱妹爱，
爱妹爱 That is our phrase of the month. Means I want to. Me too. Me too. 好了，你今天有新发型
干嘛？
哎呦，漂亮哦！今天去剪的是？
我也才刚剪而已，就被你发现了。
哎呀，女生们在聊天看到别人的发型很棒，或染头发，哇，好喜欢哦，都会问啊，你在哪里染的啊？你在哪里剪的？你在哪里烫的啊？对不对 ？Alice has a beautiful set of hair right now, and she says she just got this done today. So I want to ask her where she got it done, and then hence the phrase "Me too, I want to go too" will come out. So let's teach you this. 你的头发剪得好好看，在哪里剪的 ？You have a great haircut. Where did you get it?
唔给挑哪毛，
唔给挑哪毛，
剪都懂好看，
剪都懂好看。
在哪剪嘅？
在哪剪嘅 ？Okay, that means where'd you get it cut? 所以到底在哪里剪的啦？
就对面新开的发廊。
那家真的假的？
对呀。
OK， 那就干脆教这句啦。对面新开的发廊 ，the new hair salon across the street。
对面新开嘅。
对面新开嘅。
天母店。
天母店。天母店，这听起来在天母的店吗？
不是，
天母店，士林也有开，
哎呦，
内湖也开吗？只有天母吗？
那是美
不对啊，你说对面啊？哦，是美容院
发廊，而且呢，其实你会听起来天母店，
他摸啦，
就是头发，就是给它垫一垫啊。
天母店 literally means like curly hair, like when you get your perm, you do the curl. It's actually curly hair shop, and it means a hair salon in general. 这都是女生去的地方，
大部分都是女孩子去，
美容院了，
也有男生比较少。男生的服务叫做剃头店。
剃头店 ，OK, that's more like a barber shop. 好，我也要去剪了。I want to go get my haircut there too.
爱妹爱去剪，
爱妹爱去剪。Okay, let's review some of these terms. 头发叫做
挑哪毛，
挑哪毛 that's your hair. To cut 剪剪 and then two types of shops. 美容院或发廊叫做
天母店，
and then a barber shop. 也就是所谓的理发店，
剃头店，
and it's all about 我也要 I want to too.
爱妹爱，
and now you know that is today's practical Hakka.
什么太干？
俺自say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.